So hello friends, now I am going to introduce you a new game called Spoofland Yard. So in this game is the main purpose to catch the thief, and the detective catches the thief within the within the 24 chances. If he does not catch the thief, then the thief wins. But if he catches, then the thief loses. So this is the thief over here, and this I will put the detective over here. Now there are some number taking this. So this we keep upside down and we choose the number plate. Now which number we have got, we will put the detective here. So my number came 112 and for the thief 62. So this is see. Can you see, this is the one thing which we need in the game. So if we can see, there are 1, 2, then a box. So these two circles, the thief will be hidden. And we cannot tell where the thief is going. And over here, the thief will be displayed like this, how many squares, then the thief will be displayed, and how many circles are there, the thief will be hidden. So now, in this, there are some underground tickets, and there are bus tickets, and there are taxi tickets. So now as you can see, this yellow mark from 19 to 32 is only taking the taxi. The taxi's color is yellow. And where you want to take a bus from like 1 to 58, like from here to here. Yes. So then the bus tickets are green, like this. And if you want to take the underground, you need to go like from 93 to 79 or wherever you want to travel. You can take the underground tickets. So we give both the players the tickets, even the thief and even the detective. So now whichever we use, like we use taxi, bus or to travel, then all of the supplies go to thief. The thief takes out all of the supplies and he have never ending supplies. But we have only 24 supplies in this scoreboard. Now I will tell you how to play this game. If we are here, so first like we have got this green. So first these are the cards which we need. So I will take a green card from these all. So the green card needs to kept with the detective, and the thief has no identical card. So the main purpose is to catch the thief or nothing. The thief doesn't get catch, the thief wins the game. And we have something called black ticket like this, and 2x. So first I will tell you about 2x. So if the thief is discovered or he is hidden, we can both use the black ticket and the 2x mark. So that's why the 2x mark is used for the detective. So the detective can take his turn 2 times if he knows where the thief is. Yeah. So it is upon the detective. And the last thing I will tell you about the black ticket. The black ticket is about the river. Can you see these points, like where the river is starting and stopping, like 104, 116, 115? Like this, you can cross the river. And the black ticket is only with the detective. But it goes to the thief. So bye friends.